Namaste. Khushru. I, Jeevan Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today I will discuss about the topic Drug Master Files. The Drug Master Files topics belongs to the Pharmaceutical Regulatory Affairs for the B Pharm 8th semester. So now we come to the introduction of Drug Master Files. A Drug Master Files is a submission to the FDA of information usually concerning the confidential detail information. Drug Master Files is basically belongs to the confidential detail information submitted to the FDA department. So this is the confidential detail information about chemistry, manufacturing, and control of a drug product or a component of a drug product. Other non CMC information like packaging, storing may also be filled in Drug Master File. So now we come to the types of the Drug Master Files. Originally 5 types of Drug Master Files. First one is plant information, and second one is drug substance, drug product, intermediates, and material used in their manufacturing. Now third one is packaging, and fourth one is excipient. And last one is other information, which is generally not covered by type 1 to type 4 Drug Master File. Usually clinical toxicity data are covered. So current type of DMF is Drug Master Files. Now 4 types. First one is a type 1 DMF withdrawn, numbering name to avoid confusion. Drug substance, drug product, intermediate, and material used in their manufacturing. And packaging, excipients, and other information is generally not covered by type 1 to type 4 Drug Master File. Rate of Drug Master Filing as of March 2017, for example, according to this graph and according to percentage, the rate of DMF filing as of March 2007. So WHO must file a DMF, Drug Master File. There is no legal or regulatory requirement to file a DMF. A DMF may be filed to provide CMC information that the FDA reviews. The information contained in DMF may be used to support an IND, NDA, ANDA, and another DMF, and export application or amendments and supplements of any of these. Remember that DMF is not a substitute for IND, NDA, ANDA, or export application. Technical contents of DMF are reviewed only in connection with the review of IND, NDA, ANDA, or an export application. So second one is some basic technologies. Holder, the person, company who submit DMF. Agent, the person, company who represent a DMF holder, also called representative. Applicant, customer, authorized party. AP, the person, company who refers to DMF, application, investigational new drug application, IND, new drug application, ANDA, and abbreviated new drug application. Now we come to the next point, supplement to an ANDA and NDA. A report of change in an approved ANDA and NDA. Amendment to an application, additional information to an existing IND, a pending ANDA and NDA, a pending ANDA and NDA settlement. So types of DMF, with different type 1, plant information, manufacturing site, equipment capabilities, and operation layout, and actual site address, a map showing its location with respect to the nearest city corporate headquarters. As per the elimination type 1 DMF is done by July. So second DMF, drug substance, intermediate drug substance, and material used their preparation. It summarizes all significant steps in manufacturing and control of the drug, intermediate, or substance. Detailed guideline on what should be included in the type 2nd DMF for substance and intermediate may be found in the following guidelines. So now we come to the guidelines for submitting supporting documentation in drug application of manufacturing of drug substance. Guidelines for the format and content of the chemistry, manufacturing, and control section of an application. So drug product and finished dosage form. It is very important. Manufacturing procedures and control for finished dosage form should ordinarily be submitted an IND, NDA, ANDA, or export application. If can be submitted to above documents, it should be submitted in DMF. For a drug product, the applicant sponsor should follow the guidelines provided in the following guidelines. First one is guideline for the format and content of the chemistry, manufacturing, and control section of an application. Guideline for submitting documentation for the manufacture of and control for drug products. Guideline for submitting sample and analytical data for method validation. General point included in type 2 DMF. Manufacturing section, quality control, validation, stability data, and impurity, and packaging and lab. So packaging material intended for which use its component or composition. But remember that responsibility of compatibility and safety of packaging component in finished drug is the responsibility of authorized party. So this is the complete session for the DMF Drug Master Files. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve your problem by the problem resolving process. So thank you, and thank you for the listening.